What happened to the Radio Shack electronic kits, which I had one? Radio Shack, once a major retailer of electronic components and kits, faced declining sales and market share due to online retailers. The decline of the hobby electronics market and the financial problems leading to its bankruptcy and eventually acquisition by Unicomer Group in 2023. The rise of online retail. As more people began buying electronic components online, Radio Shack's brick-and-mortar stores became less popular. Decline of the hobby electronics market. The hobby electronics market itself saw a decline as people's interest shifted away from building their own electronics. Radio Shack's financial problems. The company struggled with financial issues, including over-reliance on low-margin cell phone sales and too many stores competing against each other. Bankruptcy and reemergence. Radio Shack filed for bankruptcy in 2017, but was acquired by Unicomer Group in 2023 and is now back as CES 2025. Radio Shack's impact. Radio Shack and its electronic kits played a significant role in inspiring and educating young engineers and hobbyists. Radio Shack's legacy. Radio Shack's electronic project kits, such as the 201 Electronics Project Kit, were popular for teaching electronics and allowing users to build various projects. Thank you for watching.